Hey guys, welcome to the Adrian Graphics and Marketing channel. My name is Adrian Boysel and I'm the CEO and founder of Adrian Graphics LLC. I started my business and my career in 2007 with one simple goal. I wanted to change the trajectory of my life. And so now, as my career has developed, so have my passions and so has my true calling. And my calling now is to be a mentor and to be a leader, and not just to be a speaker. I used to be a graphic designer, but now I teach people how to reach the fullest potential in their career as a creative or a creator. Whether you're doing web design, graphic design, print design, or any type of creative role, this is a channel to help you win and to break through the barriers. I teach about sales, I teach about marketing, I even teach a little bit of graphic design. But mostly, I teach about mindset and how to reach new levels and break through the challenges that you're going to face along your journey. I've learned a lot of the lessons the hard way, and I want you to avoid those. So if you could please subscribe to this channel, share it with a friend, and follow along, I promise you I won't disappoint. Thank you so much for tuning in and checking us out. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. God bless, and as always, keep looking up.